Ka Jingïaknieh apedeng ka Tnat Mining and Geology ba ka Tnat Forest and Environment kala pau perthai hadian ki kenram balami ha ka bayadei bat ka jingpen slam ban chalan yo Mawshun sa Bangladesh ling ba ka land custom station ka badan ha Dawki West Giant Hills. Kani ka Jingïaknieh kala pau hadian ba ka Tnat Mining kala ajing bet bakan Thew yo Mawshun bat mauthop bat ban khai ling ba ka volumetric method hendrai nakaliang ka Tnat Forest and Environment kanang yai penbor baka jingthau ki tiki artli ki jaj mau kadai be banya ling ba ka weight bridge nalor kani kanong ai kitien ka seng wajantia limestone boulder stone exporters miners association ka kong doli khongla habe kren ba kinong thok khubor ha ar pnyau tereng kala kop kala yu menteri ka Tnat Forest and Environment ba preston tensong ubala berngam ban phakem mi kinong khai bakila khai be anyo Mawshun sa Bangladesh bat kala pan jing percaya ng menteri ban pensisya ya ka ay ka bakila le be an tang namar bakila ko ngo ikikendon balabu da sarkar.
The news which appear today in our Khasi Daily Umapur is the front page which says Nado katayaw panwan anyat bed ka khai puteng de ka jingle be an ki he custom but inong khai presto. That's what it's written. The Halor kani nga de ka spokesperson jong ka senjumi ka WJL Bima come chief advisor executive committee ka snow day ba in panshai ba Halor kani jing kano jong uni uramba upadai uwe urudon buram kong menteri jong state jumi badai ki kam pokla. After saying of this instruction there in Dawki, after we are informed by the superintendent that I have been instructed to weight your limestone by weighbridge in Dawki. So we said, okay, we move to the Commissioner Custom Preventive Northeastern Region. On the 24th April, we have given this representation to him, airing our grievances for weighment of limestone by the weighbridge in Dawki. Since all borders exporting limestone to Bangladesh does not have the same facilities, so we request him to allow us to continue with the volumetric system till all borders have the same facilities, those who are exporting to Bangladesh. And the question is, when other places they are wading through volumetric, why only Dawki? We came to learn when we went and met the custom to inquire about our presentation. We came to learn that the Commissioner Custom Preventive had written a letter to the state government asking for its view on this matter. We were informed by the Commissioner Custom Preventive that after you have submitted your presentation, we have written to the state government, let us wait for the view of the state government and then find out the solution. So after we came to know about that, we also immediately sent one representation dated 30th April 2015 addressing to the Chief Secretary, airing our all problems in connection with this matter and requested him to implement the same in other border. We want that law should be one for all borders. Why only in Dawki?